Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name's Janae. Today's video is a HomeGoods shop with me. I have been popping into my local HomeGoods almost every day this past week because honestly, this is my favorite time to shop here. The shelves are fully stocked with lots of new inventory, and it's just such a good time to come and browse and find some really great hidden gems that you will not see anywhere else. I feel like HomeGoods does a great job of bringing out some unique products at really great prices, in my opinion. So the first thing I noticed when I walked in was they had a ton of outdoor pots and planters. So if you're looking to redo your outdoor space during the spring or summertime, this is a great time to come in and stock up. I also noticed that they have a ton of their wicker trays and baskets. Now, I feel like HomeGoods does the best versions of these for the quality and the price. I own at least 3 of their wicker trays and I use them all the time. I have a round one on my coffee table, and every time I post it, I get so many questions on it. I bought it about 2 years ago from HomeGoods. I paid $25 for it and it has held up so well. These darker trays with this beautiful, rich, deep tone look and feel incredibly luxe. I love that they have this added woven detail along the side and on the handles. I think these will be perfect for the fall season, and I also appreciate that they do come in 3 different size options. Another great feature about these particular trays is that the base is very sturdy. It'll help your decor sit nice and secure. I've seen these glass and wicker vases here a few times. I did purchase one last year during the spring season, and I like to style mine with some fresh flowers, but these are also great as like candle hurricanes. They look really pretty. Now, I think these look much more expensive than they are, and I spotted this one that has this like bubbled out base to it. I thought that was super cute and different. Another really good area to check out right now is their books. They have so many great decorative coffee table books that are perfect for styling. A lot of them are the same ones that you'll see at Amazon or Target, but you can often find them for a little bit less here at HomeGoods sometimes. And I also love that you can come into the store and actually see and flip through the books in person just to make sure that they fit your space and vibe. I noticed they had these kinfolk books. I believe I own both of these, and I paid around $25, $26 for them at Target, and these were priced at $19.99. I also spotted some new ones that I've never seen here before, and they were very large in size. I loved the colors and the bindings on them, and the larger books are great for stacking as well, and they all came in those beautiful neutral colors that we love so much. I also noticed they had some really good cookbooks too, which I don't usually find here. So if you're looking for good cookbooks, which I'm actually in the market for to style in my kitchen, but if you're looking for good cookbooks, whether it be for recipes or just for styling purposes, this is a great spot to check out right now. Something that I like to do when I'm shopping the book section is if I see one with a cover on it, I'll always remove it just to take a peek at what the actual book looks like, because a lot of times the cover can be very busy, but because it's obviously removable, you can just take it off and the book underneath is very simple and neutral and easier to style. Okay, the floral section isn't typically an area I shop in here. I'm not entirely sure why. I just don't often come across stems or faux florals that really catch my eye. But But with that said, there were a few pieces that stood out to me this time. I did notice that they are starting to carry some Real Touch stems, which are obviously great quality. They have that very realistic look and feel to them. Now, the stores that I was shopping at had a lot of spring florals, lots of whites, pinks, purples, blues. So I don't know if you guys are ready for spring stems and florals yet. I don't think I'm quite there, but if you are the type of person who likes to purchase ahead and have them ready to go when the season approaches, they have a massive selection right now. They also had these large full magnolia stems that immediately caught my attention. They are very similar to the ones sold at A Floral, which are actually priced a little bit lower on the A Floral website, but you do have to pay shipping fees. But these felt noticeably fuller and a little bit more lifelike in person to me. I thought these were beautiful. They look very realistic. These are stunning to style all year round. They are just the perfect stem mixed with that floral detail. Over in the lamp section, I spotted these wall sconces, and I have never seen wall sconces at HomeGoods before, at least not at my store, but I thought these were really nice. I liked the tone of the brass. I love the simplicity of them. I have something very similar in my room that was triple the price. And what I like about these is that they are battery operated, so there's zero installation required on these. The lamp section at my stores is very lackluster right now. They don't have a ton of inventory. I'm hoping that they're gonna bring in some new items because I love shopping the lamp section, but mine is just very dead right now. However, over in the candle warmer section, they have a ton to choose from. I don't need one. I have one in my room right now that I absolutely love, but if you're in the market for a candle warmer, they have a big selection right now. Moving on to their pots and vessels, this is another category where I think HomeGoods really excels. Right now, they have some of the best inventory that I have personally seen in a while. The first thing I came across were these oversized paper mache vases. They did come in multiple sizes. Now, these are very popular. I know a lot of people love paper mache. They are cool and kind of unique looking, but I feel like these were a little bit pricey in my opinion. I don't know if I can bring myself to pay $100 for a paper mache vase, but if that's your style and this is what you like, these are very unique looking and they are very large. So I think that's where that high ticket price tag comes from. But if you don't want to do a vase, they did come in a decorative bowl as well. I thought this was a little bit more simplistic, a little bit obviously smaller in scale, easier to style on like an entryway table or a coffee table. One handled vase in particular was giving me strong Olive Atelier vibes, and it was only priced at $24.99. They also had a selection of blue items if you like to incorporate that pop of blue into your home. The pedestal bowls are also a great styling piece, especially in a kitchen filled with some fruit. The overall design feels simple but yet modern, making them really easy to style in a variety of places. I spotted these wood picture frames and I absolutely loved these. I recently purchased some from West Elm and I paid so much money for mine. Had I had spotted these first, I probably would have snagged these ones before paying the price that I paid at West Elm. These were beautiful. I love the dark wood tone and the size of the picture in the middle. I also came across some ice buckets, which I know is a little bit random, but these can be really nice to style outside. This isn't something that you typically like go out and shop for, but when I was here, I thought these were really pretty. I thought this stainless steel one was really nice looking. It had this pretty beaded detail around the body of it, just with some ice if you have like a picnic or if you're doing like a little gathering out in your backyard. They also had this one that had this really pretty detail on the glass, just something different and unique that you're only going to find at HomeGoods that you will probably find yourself using more than you think. Another thing I spotted were these glass simmer pots. These are great for the holiday season. I picked one up last year for Christmas time and I used mine throughout the entire Christmas season. This beautiful butter dish was also very cute, only priced at $5.99. And then over in their cookware section, I thought this jar of olive oil was really pretty and it was paired right next to this pasta, and I immediately thought this would be like a great housewarming gift if you paired these two together. I'm in the market for some pillows, so right when I walked into this particular location, I beelined right for this section. I'm specifically looking for pillows for my outdoor space. I bought some last year that I've seen better days and they just need to be upgraded and refreshed. But the first pillows that I spotted were these beautiful floral print ones, and I loved the muted detail of the coloring on these pillows. The inserts were really nice as well. These look very designer to me, and they were priced at $29.99 a pillow. I also spotted the most beautiful blue pinstriped lumbar pillow that had the cutest little tie details on the ends. I absolutely love stripes. The insert was a really nice feather insert. Wish I would have grabbed these. I passed them up and went back for them and they were gone. Of course, that's just the way it goes with HomeGoods. Moving over to some of their furniture, I spotted this really cute little nightstand. I thought this would be really nice in a bedroom. Unfortunately, my store only had one, but you can always get the item number and kind of shop around. I thought this had a very high-end look to it and it was only priced at $149.99, which I thought was really good for the look and size of it. Okay, we're back home. I hope that you enjoyed the whole shop with me portion. I feel like HomeGoods is just killing it right now. They have so many good items. I filmed that over the course of a week. I believe I went to 3 different locations and I did pick up a few items and I want to share what I grabbed with you guys. So the first thing that I picked up is this beautiful wicker handled vase. Now, this is clearly a great dupe for the one that they sell at mcgee&co that is super popular, but very pricey. I've just never brought myself to purchase that one. So when I saw this one, I had to have it. I just think it's so beautiful. I love the big exaggerated handles. I just think the whole silhouette is just stunning. And having this type of material in your home decor just really helps to give it that like organic kind of earthy, natural look. My only debacle is I don't know if I should darken this. I'm torn. I feel like if I darken it, it might make it look a little more expensive and kind of go with my decor a little bit better. But then I do really like this color. It doesn't pull very yellow. I like this like natural look, so I can't decide. I don't want to ruin it. So I don't know. You guys have to let me know down in the comments if you think I should leave it like this or if I should make it a little bit darker. But overall, this is such a beautiful vase. And this one, I believe, was $34.99. So such a good deal. The next item I picked up is also a vase. It is this beautiful little ceramic vase. Love this. I was immediately drawn to this like very exaggerated ribbing detail. And the color of this to me is so perfect. It's like that beautiful mossy green. And it's got like a hint of almost like a burnt orange. I just think it's very different and unique. I love the size and just kind of like the overall look of it. So I have special plans for this little vase. I have a DIY video that I'm already in the works of making. I'm hoping I can get it out within the next week or so, but this will be featured in that video. So let me give you guys a little sneak peek of what I'm thinking to do with this vase. I'm thinking of turning this into a lamp, okay? Just want you guys to see my vision here. Like, how cute would this be as a lamp? I just think it would look so adorable. I'm obsessed with lamps right now. I just put them all over my house, and this would just be very unique and cute. So I am planning on making this a functional lamp, one that you can actually plug into the wall. So I will give you guys a step-by-step in that video of how I plan to do that. So stay tuned. If you're not following, definitely hit that subscribe button so you guys will see some future videos. But this was only $16.99 and I just love it. The next items I picked up is just something little, but something very functional that I will get a ton of use out of. And it's this set of 4 little ramekins that comes in this beautiful cream color. I love that it's got like the glazed top and then more of the raw finish on bottom. I use things like this constantly in my house if we have people over or we're like a big sports family. We watch football religiously, and I'll make snacks and I like to put them in just little cute dishes just to make it look a little more aesthetic. So I love these, but the reason I grabbed these ones in particular was because this is by the brand Natural Elements. And I've purchased stuff from their website before and their products are amazing. They make very unique, really well-made stuff. And I've never seen this brand at HomeGoods. So as soon as I saw it, I had to grab it. All right, the next item I picked up is this cute little wood bowl. And I have bowls similar to this that I use constantly, but it actually is kind of hard to find one this size. This is a little bit smaller. This was only $9.99 and I just love the style of it. You will see things like this on boutique websites or even designer websites that can be pretty pricey. And this is one of those items that you will find yourself grabbing all the time if you just need something a little bit extra. It's the perfect size for a candle. So was excited to come across this one because I loved the style and the size of it. The last item I picked up, again, is just something very small, but it's something that I've actually been looking for just to kind of top off my whole little kitchen area. And it is this beautiful brass and wood whisk. It's got this really pretty floral etched detail into the handle. And I love that the actual whisk part is like this really pretty brass color. So I'm gonna add this to my existing utensil holder, and I feel like that pop of brass just gives it a little bit something extra, ties everything in really nicely, and it just makes it look very collective and intentional, and I just love it. It's so unique and different, super affordable. I think this was $4.99, and it's something that I'll keep in my collection for a long time. Okay, so that is a wrap on today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this shop with me and the little mini haul at the end. Let me know down below in the comments what some of your favorite items were. Thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate any support you send my way, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.